Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make a hard reset of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. If you are using Galaxy Z Fold 4 and you want to make a hard reset of your device, so let's see how can you do this. For this, first of all, you have to make sure that you are connecting to any PC or another Samsung device via cable, just like this. Just connect, and then you must have to make a simple setup. So you can easily make it on your lock screen or home screen on which you want. I'm going to start it with your home screen, and here first of all you must have to press and hold volume down and power button at the same time, and hold it until your screen goes black, and then just you have to select or press volume up when your screen was black and wait for your Samsung logo. So let's see how. Just press and hold volume down and power button at the same time, and you will get this type logo. Now wait for until your screen goes black, and after that you must have to change your volume down to volume up button and wait for Samsung logo. Just wait for it and then release all buttons, and after that it will open your phone BIOS just like this. Here your touch won't work, you have to use these three buttons to move down, up, or selection. So let's see how. You must have to look for wipe data or factory reset. Here's that option. Just press volume down to move down, and here's the wipe data and factory reset. Just go to this and then press your power button to enter that, and here's the factory data reset. Just select it, then press the button, and here it will get you on this page is reboot system now. But first of all you have to make sure that you have a backup of data, because it will remove or delete everything from your phone. It might be photos, videos, apps, and your accounts. So you must have to make a backup and then select reboot system now. Just press the power button, and it will make a hard reset to your device. You must have to wait for this logo, and now wait for power on, and after that you will get a fresh new startup of your device. So that's how you can easily make a hard reset of your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.